Ladies and gentlemen, humanity has become to an end. No, this is not just a scene from My Robot or an episode of Black Mirror. We are facing a reality that is shaping our present and undoubtedly our future. The technology giants Boston Dynamics and Tesla present their most advanced creations, Atlas and Optimus. These are not the robots from the science fiction movies we grew up with. They are tangible realities, walking, and yes, working among us. Atlas, reborn in its new electric form, is now a demonstration of strength and agility, capable of performing tasks that challenge human physical abilities. Somewhat like the robots we see in Ex Machina, where the line between what is human and what is not is blurred. And what can we say about Optimus? This robot is designed to free us from repetition, to take care of those tasks that tire us out or that we simply do not want to do, reminding us that the promise of assistance from Rosie, the robot housekeeper from the Jetsons.
And I love you people too.
That makes her unique. That makes her irreplaceable.
Rosie, you are out of this universe.
But this advancement does not come without its questions. What will our role be in a world where everyday and industrial tasks can be managed more efficiently by these technological titans? How do we navigate this new era, where the lines between human and robotic work are increasingly blurred? A theme deeply explored in the series Westworld, where the ethical limits and repercussions of advanced robotics are constantly questioned. As we watch these robots work, from assembly lines to our own homes, it's clear that we are not merely observing a new wave of machinery. We are seeing the potential future of collaboration between humans and machines. What will be the impact of this symbiosis in our society? These questions are the key as we delve deeper into the emerging realities that the modern robotic presents. A debate that resonates with the complexity of Blade Runner, where the coexistence between human and androids pose deep moral dilemmas. But before we delve into the rise of robotics today, it's essential to look back and see how technology has shaped human society from the beginning. From the discovery of fire to the widespread use of smartphones, each new technology has profoundly transformed our way of living. One of the first major technological revolutions was writing. Appearing thousands of years ago, it allowed not only the preservation of knowledge, but also the emergence of complex governments, major religions, and long-distance trade. This ability to record and transmit information has been fundamental to the development of complex civilizations. Fast forward a few centuries to the Industrial Revolution, where steam engines transformed not only the production of goods, but also the social structures, creating modern cities and a completely new working class. This change brought significant challenges, such as labor exploitation, which eventually required new regulations and social reforms. If we keep moving forward, the advent of computers and the internet marked the beginning of the information age, an era that has redefined communication, the economy, and even our private lives. Despite its enormous benefits, this era also brought challenges such as data security and the digital divide. And now we are at the brink of the new era of advanced automation with robotics and artificial intelligence. Robots like Atlas, Optimus, and others are initiating changes that could be as transformative as those introduced by writing or the steam engine. Each of these innovations has required society to adapt and reconsider how we live, work, and interact. Like in previous cases, modern robotics raises critical questions about the future of work, privacy, and coexistence between humans and machines. As robots like Atlas and Optimus become more present in our lives, new concerns arise. We find ourselves questioning not only which job robots might take, but also how they might affect our daily relationship and personal privacy.
Because Bender knows love, and love doesn't share itself with the world. Love is suspicious. Love is needy. Love is fearful. Love is greedy. My friends, there is no great love without great jealousy. I love you, meatbags.
Delving deeper into the issue of employment and how robotics is reshaping the labor market, we see that this technological revolution presents both significant opportunities and challenges. The introduction of robots in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and services can mean greater efficiency and reduced costs for companies. Robots like Atlas are capable of performing repetitive or dangerous physical tasks, with precision and consistency that surpass human ability. This could lead to a decrease in workplace injuries and an increase in production. However, these advantages also raise significant concerns about job loss. According to an OECD study, approximately 14% of jobs in developed countries are at high risk of being automated. Additionally, up to 32% will experience substantial changes in the tasks they perform. This suggests that many workers will need to retain or adapt to new reality. In response to these changes, there is a growing need to invest in education and professional training to prepare the workforce for the new demands of the digital and robotic economy. Reskilling programs can help workers transition to growth areas, such as robot programming, maintenance, and automated system supervision. On the other hand, robotics can also create new occupations that we cannot yet foresee. According to some estimates, while some jobs disappear, new sectors and industries may emerge, potentially creating more jobs than are lost. These new roles could include the development of robotic technology, the management of human-robot interaction, and other yet undefined fields. Delving deeper into the issue of jobs and how robotics is reshaping the labor market, we discovered that this technological revolution not only presents significant challenges, but also exciting opportunities. For example, in the series Westworld, we see how the creation of an advanced theme park requires a wide range of new professional roles. Narrative designers, who create complex stories for robots to perform, a job that mixes scripting with psychology and interaction design, show us a future where personal stories could be as personalized as healthcare. We also see specialized technicians who keep robots operating optimally, an image that leads us to imagine how every sector using robotics, from manufacturing to domestic services, will need professionals dedicated to this task. Moreover, this fictional world suggests the importance of AI ethics specialists, who, although not explicitly shown, play a crucial role in ensuring that robots operate within an acceptable moral framework. Finally, we realize that robotics engineers will continue to be essential for designing, improving, and adapting robots to ever-changing needs. This entire range of new professions not only prepares us for a future of innovation, but also emphasizes the need to adapt our educational and professional training system to face these new challenges. While science fiction often imagines dystopian or utopian futures, it also offers a valuable window into real and tangible possibilities, encouraging us to reflect on how we can shape this new world. The discussion of these topics, far from being mere speculation, is vital for navigating the changes that are redefining the way we live and work. In the world of Minority Report, where technology deeply penetrates the private lives of citizens, privacy issues are both critical and complex. As robotics and artificial intelligence become more integrated in our daily lives, these same dilemmas arise with renewed urgency. When robots like Optimus interact directly with users within their personal spaces, the amount of data they can collect is immense, from daily habits to intimate details of personal health. If not managed properly, this information could become an open door to abuses, reminiscent of surveillance systems that could foresee even citizens' thoughts and intentions. With the increasing connectivity of these devices to internet, the security possibilities become as fragile as the data is valuable. Cyber attacks could not only make our private lives public, but also allow external control over our own spaces, a concern not unlike the manipulation of reality we saw happening behind the scenes. The response to this risk can be nothing other than fortified legislation and robust data management strategies, reminiscent of the extreme measures that had to be taken to ensure that predictive technologies did not deviate from the ethical purpose. The General Data Protection Regulation of the European Union is a step towards this kind of regulation, but the path that remains is as complex as the surveillance system is sought to regulate. Finally, public debate and transparency are essential to maintain a clear line between beneficial technology use and unwanted intrusion. This is a conversation that requires participation from all sectors of society, because, like the challenges posed in fiction, the impacts in reality can be equally profound. These privacy challenges require urgent attention, not only from technology developers, but also from legislators and the general public. Working together to create a framework that protects privacy while allowing innovation and progress in the field of robotics is vital, ensuring that the technological future is a story of benefit, not one of doom. In the world of Anime Doraemon, we see a charming example of the integration of a robot into a family and personal life. Doraemon, the future cat robot, not only assists his human friend Nobita with daily tasks and emotional challenges, but also acts as a true companion, showing how robots can have a positive impact beyond simple task automation. This vision of Doraemon contrasts with typical science fiction scenarios that often depict robots as isolated or dangerous entities. Instead, Doraemon illustrates a coexistence where robots are capable of recognizing and respecting human personal space, adapting to unforeseen situations in ways that enrich the lives of their human companions. Doraemon's presence in a domestic environment helps us imagine a future where robots can play significant roles in emotional and social support. This is a valuable perspective when considering the ethical and practical challenges of coexistence between humans and machines. It challenges us to think about how robots can be programmed, not only to ensure safety and efficiency, but also to foster positive relationships that support emotional and social well-being. Just as Doraemon is an integral part of Nobita's lives, the robots of the future could be seen as valuable members of society, working side by side with humans to create a more harmonious and supportive community. Managing this transition, however, will require detailed consideration and planning, ensuring that advanced technology benefits the entire society without compromising fundamental human values. As we close this exploration of human interaction with robotics, it becomes evident that we are at the dawn of a new era that could fundamentally transform both our society and our perception of technological boundaries. Robots, from industrial figures to personal assistants, not only represent a technological shift, but also catalyze profound social changes that challenge us to rethink our relationship with technology. As discussed, robots have the potential to enrich our lives, assisting in tasks ranging from industrial production to emotional and personal support. However, this new coexistence comes with significant challenges in areas such as privacy, security, and social integration. It is imperative that we proceed with caution, aware of the power and responsibilities that integrating advanced robotics into our daily lives entails. I encourage all viewers to stay informed, critical, and actively involved in the debates on how robotics and artificial intelligence should evolve and integrate into our societies. Let's view robots not as threats, but as partners and collaborators in building a better and more equitable future for everyone. In a world where the line between reality and technological potential blurs, our responsibility is to ensure that the technological future we build is one that values and preserves human dignity and freedom, while harnessing the new opportunities this era promises. Thank you for joining me in this reflection. I hope you continue to question, explore, and discover the world of robotics with curiosity and critical awareness. So, until our next discussion, keep thinking critically and dreaming about what is possible when humans and machines work together. Subscribe for more in-depth analysis like this one and share your thoughts and opinions in the comments. See you in the next video.